All right, so now we in the basement. You feel me? We in the basement, baby. Like I say, a lot of these lights don't work. Like I was saying in the first video before I got cut off, a lot of people can't do this job. A lot of people quit this job. The average day on this job is 2 days. Most people quit after 2 days. We had one guy, this motherfucker, they say he quit in 45 minutes. "45 minutes into his shift. 45 minutes into his shift, he quit. This shit ain't for the weak. If you scary, if you a scared motherfucker, you can't do this.